this one, a calculator is required. So a particle moves along a line so that at time t, where t is between 0 and pi, its position is given by that function. What is the velocity of the particle when its acceleration is 0? So first of all, guys, the velocity of the particle you need to know is the first derivative of its position. And then acceleration is the second derivative of position. So they want to know what is the first derivative when the second derivative is 0. All right, so we've got to find the second derivative, find where it's 0, and then plug it into the first derivative. And we have to find the first derivative to find the second derivative. Okay, so here we've got s prime, which is going to be the velocity. So the velocity is -4. The derivative of cosine is negative sine minus, that's going to be just t, because that's like 1/2 t to the second, you know, and then you take the derivative of that. And then the derivative of 10 is 0. Okay, and then so this is 4 sine of t minus t. Okay, then you're going to take the derivative of that. So this is going to be the acceleration. 4 cosine of t minus 1. We've got to figure out where this is 0. So 4, yeah, all right, so where this is 0. All right, so then we've got 4 cosine of t minus 1. So you want to know when that's 0. So you'd get cosine of t equals a fourth. All right, and then you've got to do like inverse cosine. But you know what, guys? What's better to do from here? All right, so I wouldn't even do any of this. All right, I wouldn't even do this. I would just use my calculator to figure this out. And we need to be on this interval. All right, so the way that you would do it is this. You've got to be in radians first. So mode, radian mode, I'm in it. Then I'm going to go to y equals, and I'm going to type this in, and I'm trying to figure out where it's 0 on my given interval. So this is, I'm typing in 4 cosine, where's cosine? 4 cosine of x minus 1, okay? And then if I were you, on the right side, that's going to be 0, so I would just put 0 in for that. That way we can use the intersection function instead of using the 0 function. So then we want to be looking at it on this window. Okay, the t's we're looking for are on that window. So you go to the window, x min 0, x max pi. So you just type in pi. All right, and then y min, I don't know, I'll do -10 to 10. I was doing something else with this before. Ooh, please only be 1. Yes, okay, perfect. Okay, so there's only 1. There is this one time when the second derivative is 0. So I've got to find it. So I go second calc, intersect. All right, I go kind of close to it. I hit enter 3 times, and there I have it. So x equals that. Now I'm going to store it. So I go here, okay? I hit X. That number comes out, and now I'll store it. So I hit store down here, and I'll store it as A. Okay, so that's A now. Now, I want to know what the velocity is when the acceleration, okay, so in my calculator, stored as A, stored answer. All right, I stored the answer as A. So now I want V of A. So in my calculator, I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to put a in for t. So 4 and then sine of a. Oh, shoot, minus a. Sine of a. All right, so I already got sine of a. This is blurry. And then I'll just go minus a. Yes. Okay. Right?